is high. You can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If her daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If her daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lake, we'll turn to 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and really fine. Without bad people, without daddy, without me, without everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or sailing in the sea. We're always happy, at least we're living here, that's our philosophy.